how you guys doing? Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. I have all these different reasons why we should go triking. You know, we need to explore, we need to challenge, we need to discover new places, we go for exercise. Today, we're going because it's just a beautiful day. So hang tight, we'll get some scenes along the way. Be good. Catch you later.
Riding on a summer's way.
It's a lovely day in my neighborhood. I don't know how that song goes, but we're off today. We're gonna head out towards the North Shore because that's really the only place I can go. We can ride around here in the neighborhood, but I want to get a little more exercise today, and it's such a gorgeous day.
I left you lonely in a crowded room with girls dance slowly, two by two. I thought you'd curl up and just fade away, leaving me free to wander in this tune. Why do you run from the light of the moon as it shines in your eyes? Why do you run when there's no place to go? Why do you hide when I talk to you? So lonely. Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey, I remember love like it was yesterday. On the dash as we rode through the town. Jamaican rhythms of the radio tram. Hey, taxi driver, won't you sing me your latest song? Yeah, he cut so deep as he knifed through the zombie-eyed throng. 2 pineapples in New York City. Girls are randy and the boys are pretty. Build and scream as we scrape the sky. Jungle swings while the night defies. We got the love and we got no pity. 2 pineapples in New York City. Remember your first time? I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes down in Kailua Bay. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-wah. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-wah. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-wah. 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 Shoo-doo-doo-doo-wah. is my paradise. Now that you're gone, where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold, and the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering ways. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain, stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Slowly slip away. Passion flows as two lips play.
Looks like we're stuck in the sand here. So, you know, I thought I knew I promised you a gorgeous day, and who can blame us for wanting to ride a trike on a beautiful, gorgeous day? So, here's what I got you. This is Keiki Beach right here. And Keiki means children in Hawaiian, and that's a little tide pool where people bring their kids and let them frolic in the Pacific Ocean. So over there we've got Turtle Bay Resort on that end, and on this end of the bay we have Kahuku Point, which is the northern tip of Oahu. So we hope you enjoyed our little ride, and I certainly did. Just a short little ride, just to give you something to look at. And I know you guys were waiting for that dog to catch me, but I kind of teased him a little bit, you know. I could have gone much faster, or I could have gone slower, but I thought he wanted to get some exercise, so he followed me around. Anyway, it was a great ride. Hope you guys have a great week. You guys stay healthy, safe, and of course always be happy. And that means happy wandering as well. Have a great week, guys. Take care. Catch you on the next ride. Aloha.
Slip away. Passion flows as two lips